The DI is heading down the virtual highway to amazing graphics Maze Wars version 1.1, and according to its info file, it's a virtual reality, maze running, bullet firing, monster killing, non-crippled arcade feel shareware game. The copyright dates to 1992, which is pretty significant for this game because that's when id Software released its first-person shooter classic Wolfenstein 3D. One of the first things I noticed about the game was the entire look of the game can be fully customizable. Here in the Edit Colors menu, I can change every last aspect of the game's color scheme. This is not a typical option for a game, and it's quite a nice touch. I start up the game and I see you have bullets, monsters, timers, level, and a radar. Using the mouse, you can look around the maze. You use the left and right mouse buttons to move forward and backwards in the game. You then press both mouse buttons to fire the weapon. I turned on the sound option by pressing S in the game, but the only sound that is in the game is when you hit a monster with your bullets. The monsters are no more than elongated pyramids that you run around the maze dispatching them with your bullets. They do not fight back, but you can die by running into them or running out of bullets before finishing off all the monsters. Once you have killed all the monsters, it is then time to find your way through to the maze's exit. This is a nice view of a mountainous horizon which ends up in you heading down the highway again to the main screen. But now you are advanced by one more level in the game and there is 11 in total. So on to the likes and dislikes. 1. Positive, custom appearance. 2. Negative, limited sound. 3. Negative, limited mob interaction. 4. Positive, on-screen radar. The final verdict is 3 out of 5 stars. Maze Wars was an interesting shareware game. It had some compelling options and in-game tools such as the on-screen radar, doing a bullet spray in the game, as well as changing the entire look of the game. Where it did fall a bit short was there was no fighting back from the monsters, but the game did have you conserve your ammo in order to beat each level. I enjoyed finding this game and trying it out. If you ever have played this game, drop me a line down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Digital Infinity, out.